Hey everybody, how's it going? Today it's time to do a unboxing of this my brand new USB-C charging cable for my phone, of course, from IKEA, as you can see. And so without further ado, let's get started. So here's the new cable, grey color. It's very cheap but original, of course. IKEA logo there. Already cut the cable tight. So here's the cable with a rope. Inside here have a book. Very nice. Let's take a look at the cable. It's a USB-A to USB-C. As you can see, my old fast charging Samsung adapter, as you can see. Just like this. Already connected to my phone. Now let's try the charger. Put it here. It is charged. Also it support fast charging with my previous old Samsung adapter. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for my brand new cable type A to type C in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.